WJEC Computer Science GCSE, one of our offerings at GCSE this year. This course is a wide-ranging course, but comes down to three different elements, three different units. The understanding of computer science, looking at the hardware and software of how these devices work, all the way from the basic binary calculations that a processor uses, or through to the complex von Neumann architecture of a CPU, central processing unit, and then all the way through to how we can create HTML, hypertext markup language web pages. Three different units. One, the largest of the three, looking at the theory behind computing, how devices work, how basic networks work, how we transmit encrypted information across the networks to make sure that data is secure. We look at different elements of programming, and we look at then a practical coursework module, which gives a basic program for users and learners to create. What the WJC encourages learners to do is to become problem solvers, to think of tasks logically and practically, to be able to problem solve tasks as well as debugging their own programs, to think creatively and analytically, to understand all the components about how these computers work, and to look at the wider ranging impacts of the digital technology that we're using. How is it helping society? Is it helping society? And then to apply mathematical skills relevant to the computer science. The breakdown of the three units, we've got Unit 1, which is the largest of the three units. It will all come down to one exam, 50% of the qualification. Unit 2 looks at, it is also an exam, but it's an on-screen exam, which gets broken down into things such as a Greenfoot program, a HTML program, and then some pseudocode, which is related to the bare bones of computer programming. And then the smallest unit, which is 20% of the overall mark, a non-exam assessment, coursework assessment, based on a programming language of our choice, which in the past has either been Visual Basic, Python, or other programming languages that pupils can choose. The type of pupils that we're looking for this course need to be those who have an interest and have an active interest in computing. We will be doing some programming within time, but with the amount of time that we've got, ideally, I'm looking for pupils who have already started or are looking to start computer programming in their own time. Realistically, the pupils who want to go on to do programming have an interest already and are looking to learn programming right now. You've got the next couple of months to be using your own spare time to be looking at Python, Visual Basic, looking at Greenfoot, looking at HTML. This is an ideal time for you guys to learn this and look at it, and I'm willing to support and to pass any information on. There are thousands of websites that can start you off on any of the programming languages out there. There's no wrong programming language. If you pick up one, even if you don't do computer science, if you pick up one now, it could always help with any sort of jobs you're looking for in the future.